So over here you can see that I have VLC right here, and if I were to go ahead and bring in these videos right here just like this, then you can see that they are in a playlist, and if I were to go ahead and play it, then you'll be able to see it right here. So now if I were to go ahead on to toggle playlist, then you would actually see it over here itself just like this. But let's say what I want to see is a playlist that pops up. So to do that, you can go around over here onto view, and here you can see that right now it's on docked playlist, meaning this window right here of the video is same as the playlist. But if I were to uncheck this out, then the playlist actually comes out right here just like this as a separate window. So now you can go ahead and click, and then let's say for example undock it out right here just like this. You want to get back to the docked mode again, then you can simply go around over here onto view and then click on docked playlist, and then once you go around onto playlist you get the same view once more just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can dock and undock out your playlist inside of VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe